Hi, this is Derek from LiveWatch. Today we have our first sponsored video, and this is from CrystalTimes. In every shipment, I will get a card and a sticker. As you can see here, I use a lot of CrystalTimes parts. Very high quality parts, no issue with them whatsoever. About a month ago, Jeff from CrystalTimes contacted me to see if I'm interested in their new SKX013 mod parts. The answer is quite obvious. I got asked very often on the SKX013 mods, and at the time I'm approaching my 10k sub. It would be an awesome giveaway watch. So please stick through the whole video. There will be how to enter this giveaway instruction in this video. The first part we are looking right now is the CT706 SKX013 replacement case. Come in two flavors, the half polish, half brush, and the black ion plating. I will say this is a direct copy of the SKX013 case. You can see the OEM watches on the right, and the only difference is the drill lugs. Sometimes I even feel CrystalTimes done a better job on the polishing than the Seiko lower end watches. This is the black ion plating case. This build will be a separate video. This is the CT236 SKX013 bezel. We have three flavors: silver coinage, silver sub-style, and black ion plating coinage. This is the CT663 and 666 ceramic bezel insert. Only the 666 is fully loomed. There is more on the website. I think Jeff just sent the two most popular over. This is the CT220 chapter ring, silver and black IP, both are rotary brushed. This is the CT239 Sapphire crystal caseback. This is not just for the 007, also for the 013. This is the CT210 SKX013 crown. You have three flavors: polish with S mark, black IP with S mark, or polish with no marks. This is the CT044 flat sapphire crystal for the SKX013. And lastly, this is the CT904 bracelet for the SKX013 or 15. Have to be honest with you, I don't know CrystalTimes also make bracelet till Jeff sent this one to me. All the links are solid, also solid end links as well. The only downside I have with this bracelet is it is using cotter pins, which is not that easy comparing to screw down pins. But overall, I'm very happy about the quality. It is only $59.95. Now I will start putting this giveaway watch together. I will install the crystal, the crown, and the case back to prepare for the wet water test. Here I'm using my crystal press to install the crystal. Normally I'll press in different position to make sure it's really flat against the case. This is the CT239B case back. The B is for the NH series movement, come with the gray movement spacer. If you have the OEM black movement spacer, you should buy the CT239A. Use my code LiveWatch10 at CrystalTime. You can get 10% off all SKX013 parts. Expires on March 8th, 2020, so be quick. This is the water pressure tester. For this tester, it can test up to 50 meters of water resistance. Now I place the case above water, pump it up to 50 meters of water pressure, leave it there for 10 minutes. If there is a leak in the case, now the air have a chance to seep into the case and balance out the pressure. After 10 minutes, I will drop the watch underwater and release the pressure. If we can see a tiny steady stream of bubble coming out of the case, it means the case is not waterproof. After installing the chapter ring, it is time to marry the case to the movement. In this step, I will custom fit the stem to the watch. After pre-fitting to the watch, I will use a caliper to measure how much I need to take away. After the crown is fitted correctly, I will use Loctite 271 to glue the stem to the crown. Also use a little bit Mobius 9501 to lubricate the stem so the keyless work will work properly. To enter the giveaway of this watch, you need to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow the instructions in the video description, starting from now to March 15, 2020. The last step will be installing the bezel click spring, the bezel, and the bezel insert. At this point, the watch is finished. I just need to fit the bracelet. I will always disassemble the bracelet from the clasps so I can work with 2 pieces of bracelet instead of 1, so I'm not risking scratching the case with the bracelet. I got a lot of questions on how to properly install a bracelet on the watch, and this is how I do it. As you can see, I only partially put the bottom side in and push the top side all the way in. When the end links have enough space to move, everything will just drop in. If you don't know about CrystalTimes, they are one of the most professional watch mod parts suppliers on the market. Fast shipping time, superb customer service, even a part is out of stock, they will bring it back within 2 weeks. Very impressive. CrystalTimes has the biggest variety of sapphire crystal. If CrystalTimes don't have it, nobody will. They are also growing their catalogs day by day, never know what they will bring out next. This is a very humble experience personally that Jeff from CrystalTimes reached out to me for this cooperation. I think it's very interesting. I learned a lot from this process. When we are having this conversation, I haven't hit 10K yet. Everything is moving so fast. Definitely I'm not prepared for this kind of growth. I have to thank everybody who watched this video and support to this channel. If you found this video is entertaining and educational, please like the video and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help a lot. There are more videos like this in my channel. Please take your time to watch them all. Thanks for your support. If you have a question or you want to order a watch like this, please write me an email. It is contact@liv-watch.com. This has been Derek from Live Watch. I'll see you next time. Bye.